Good morning, everybody. Today I will explain my interactive activity with the vocabulary of fruits. Please the number, the name, the grade, and day. Then the first point aims for the students to relate the word with the corresponding image. For example, number 1. Write and wrote the fruits. Banana. Banana. Number 2. Grapes. The fruits is grapes. We draw the word. We draw the word grapes. Second, watermelon. Watermelon. The fruit is watermelon. We draw the watermelon, the word. Second, orange. We draw the word orange. Second, apple. We draw the word apple. Second, we draw the word cherry. The next point, the student should match the picture with the word. Second, join the area the fruits with its name. For example, number 1, banana, banana. Second, black cherries, the picture with the word. Second, mango, mango, the picture with the word. Mango. Match in the match. Second, lemon, lemon, the picture with the word. Okay. Second, a strawberry, picture with the word. Second, number 3. What is your favorite fruit? At this point, students will write their favorite fruit. For example, banana, mango, and lemon, and strawberries, and watermelon. Second, number 4. Listening to the audio and select the correct fruit. The students must listen and select the correct answer. For example,
mango,
mango. This is mango. Second,
banana,
banana. Second, number 6.